Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. On my right hand is our new products right here. So let me give you the overall dimensions first. And this is a 4 burners hot place. And the length of the units will be about like a 24 inches wide. And the entire depth of the units, they are almost about like a 29 inches deep. And the overall heights, they are almost about like a 12 and the 3 and 4 inches tall. So as we can see, the units coming with the 1, 2, 3, 4 the burners, and so they do come with the 4 individual fire controllers. And you can see you can adjust it and starting from there. And on side of the units, they come with the SA, the sanitation stickers on it. And also they do have the regulator converter key from the manufacturers. On the back, the PEP connections. And for the burner plates, it will be about like a 12 inches wide and the 12 inches deep too. And for the individual burners, this top you can just remove it and clean at the bottoms. And also when we're looking down the units, they do have a trace to collect all the waste, and you can clean and throw this one out. So this will be all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.